In this video, I'll show you how to fix WordPress showing an IP address instead of your domain name. First, open your WordPress website in a browser and confirm that the URL is displaying an IP address rather than your domain. This usually happens when the domain is not properly connected or the WordPress site URL settings are incorrect. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside, go to Settings and then click General. After that, look for the WordPress address, URL, and site address, URL, fields. If either of these fields contains an IP address, replace it with your correct domain name, including https:// if SSL is installed. Now click Save Changes. WordPress will update the site's primary URL settings. Next, check your domain's DNS settings with your domain registrar. Make sure the domain's a record points to the correct server IP address where your WordPress site is hosted. After that, wait for DNS propagation if you recently changed the domain settings. DNS updates can take some time before they are reflected worldwide. Now clear your browser cache and any caching plugins installed on your WordPress site. Cached data can sometimes cause the old IP address to continue appearing even after the settings have been corrected. If you still cannot access the dashboard, connect to your hosting account and open phpMyAdmin. Then locate the WP_options table and update the ctrl and home values so they contain your domain name instead of the server IP address. Finally, visit your website again and confirm that the domain name appears correctly in the browser address bar and throughout the website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix WordPress showing an IP address instead of a domain name. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.